Darcy on Friday, and we're looking at the drawings of some of the controllers. And one of the things I saw was a design for a controller that's a bit more complicated. So what I did is I took Mariano's game controller and tried to figure out where the right handle, what it would look like on the screen. So I sort of made some dimensions, and I held it up to a piece of paper and sort of sketched it. Got some ideas on what it would look like. So if you could draw out these drawings, like I'll print out maybe a PDF of this so you can actually start. But you start sort of here, and then click across. 2.48, 2.48, and then go down. Over here you see 1.237, 1.237. These are all just random numbers. So if you just follow that, as I said, you start anywhere in space, go across 2.48, then down to here, and then down again, so all the way across. And then when you finish the outside dimensions, you can start going in and up. So you have these points. You see these points here. I'll use the selection tool. So you have these points. The reason how we get those is, again, we go to select all, and then Command D, or show points. Right. The points are very important. That's where we're going to click. I'll get rid of these two lines because they're ones I just did for samples. So once we have those lines on the screen, it just tells us where the geometry is. And we can work on that in class if you want. But let's now join up this line and this dot and this dot, this point, and this point, and this point. So that's going to give us part of the drawing. I now go to the spline feature, and I click on, follow the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up here, 8. Stop. Go back to selection tool. I've got my profile now, and what I want to do is just leave the curves I want. So I am going to, I could do it this way, but the easiest way is hold down the shift key, and click this one, this line, turns color, this line, and this line, and go down to here. You can see it down there, do show only. So now I have just that. Now I've only got 3 items on the screen, and they're connected. I can go back to the surface tool and click all, or hold down the shift key and click, click, and click. Now I have a surface. So in the next step, we're going to extrude this, but I'll leave it at this point so you can try this to get to this point. Thank you.